Sometimes when you're just hanging out on your laptop or PC, you get paged to join an important meeting in the men's room. But if you live with snooping roommates who don't value your privacy or have coworkers you can't trust, you need a simple way to auto-lock your system when you walk away. Well, today on Household Hacker Quick Tips, we're going to show you how to do just that. Dynamic Lock is a newish Windows feature that links your PC to your phone and automatically locks your PC when you're away. Navigate over to the Bluetooth settings on your computer, making sure that Bluetooth is turned on, then add a new device. Once you get the prompt on your phone, click it and your PC will do the rest. Now you have to click that little magnifying glass again and type in Dynamic Lock. Scroll down until you find it. Then click on the checkbox that says, Allow Windows to detect when you're away and automatically lock the device. Boom, that's it, you're all set up. Next time you walk away, it'll detect your weakened signal and auto-lock your system after about a minute of inactivity. For all you Mac users, don't worry, we didn't forget you either. While the same functionality isn't built into OS X, you can mimic it for free with a little piece of software called HandyLock. We'll put a link to it in the description, or you can just Google HandyLock. Store it wherever you want, and then run it. You're going to be met with a setup screen that wants you to attach your phone to it. So head over to your Bluetooth settings on your Mac if you haven't already, and go ahead and pair your phone with your computer. When that's done, click back on the HandyLock window and select your device. As you can see, once it's added, the signal levels of the connection are visible. From this screen, you can set how far away you have to be before it locks automatically. We've found the default settings are pretty good, but use it as you wish. You can also choose which lock screen that you want to appear, which is a pretty nice feature. We'll go with the default here. Now when you gotta leave your machine for a few minutes to go make a bagel, it'll automatically lock up when you head into the kitchen. This will put you at ease and keep your information and browsing history safe from prying eyes. Thanks so much for tuning in to Quick Tips. We hope these two nifty locking tricks will help protect your sensitive info and keep your files on lockdown. Make sure you're subscribed and ring that bell to get notified of new videos. We'll see you next time.